Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on mobile data in Samsung Galaxy S22. First of all, we need to have our SIM card inserted in our phone. Without it, we won't be able to use mobile data internet. When we swipe from the top, in this little menu right here, when we can see here our mobile data is right here. To turn it on, we simply tap it once, and now we can use our internet. Of course, we can also go to settings, connections, data usage, and the same option is right here, mobile data. But we have it faster here. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.